Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video we will discuss the free best AI websites. Free websites to generate. So I'll tell you by my knowledge, but first just randomly check on the Google. We have a lot of here. I'll just tell you the best one which I have in my experience. The first one, the best website, it is Leonard, and it deep dream generator is okay, but it is not a very useful and very professional. The best one is Leonard, and the second one I'll tell you, it is Ideogram. Yeah, Ideogram, this one website. This Ideogram and the Leonard, they both provide you daily free credits to generate free images. So you can go with them and you can enjoy free images. And let's explore how people they are using and enjoying these websites for free. Here are the examples. These images are generated by people like us, so you can also use them. Look at these. So how you can generate images from these websites? Just simply come here and just sign up with your accounts, sign up with your emails, and to generate images from these websites, the best way is to tell about your preferred picture to GPT, and GPT will write your detailed prompt. And these websites, these AIs, they know the language of prompts in a better way. So how you will come on GPT and tell GPT what type of image you want to generate? So like here I already just typed some of images, so let's have an example. Hi GPT, I want to make image and need prompt. I'm just training the GPT, so now GPT asking sure. So I will tell what type of image I am going to generate. For example, yeah, like this. This prompt is useful. I'll just copy that and I will paste here in any of the have let have tried with this one. We will check what is. In my opinion, the this one Leonardo and Ideogram, these are the best websites to make beautiful and awesome AI images. I'm just testing this one. I don't believe it will give you a good result. We can check that. And I don't believe it will give you a good. The result is not good and it's not the same as we want, and this one is still in loading. Don't forget that I'll just suggest you just to go with this one Leonard and the ideogram. And how to generate images? First you have to take help of GPT. Tell GPT what type of image you want, and GPT will write you a detailed prompt. Just copy that prompt and paste it to this tool, and tool will give you a wonderful picture, what type of picture you are looking for. Just comment me down what do you need in your next video, and I will go tell you about the voice over free websites in my next video. So just like this video and subscribe the channel and leave a good comment. So we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.